Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn your simple photo in a soft aesthetic short video all using CapCut, and it's super easy to follow, so let's get started. First, just open your CapCut app and then just create new projects and then import your old clips or all your photos like this. And once they're in, make sure every photo clip is set to 2 seconds long like this. And then next, let's make it look dreamy. Just go to filters. And then go to live. Choose sample. Adjust the intensity as you like. Maybe like this. These combinations will give that warm, soft and cozy aesthetic tone. Perfect for aesthetic edits. And then next, just apply the filters to whole video like this. Like this. And then now let's add some subtle motions and texture. Just go to effect, video effects, and then first just add sharpen its effect. This one, just tap on it. For example, like this. Apply to whole video, like this, and then add effect again. Search for ripples. And then just adjust the effect like this. After that, just add vibrations flash too. And then last, just add noise to effect. Like this. And now for smooth transition, just go to transition, just tap on square icon and then choose camera. And then choose pull in, this one. And then choose apply to all. Like this. And to make it even more dynamic, we will use clip animations alternately. Just tap on first clip. And then choose combo. Choose pendulum 1. Like this. And then for the next clip, just choose pendulum 2. This one. And then just repeat this pattern, pendulum 1, pendulum 2, and so on for the entire video. This will create a swinging, smooth rhythm between each photo that feels very aesthetic and satisfying to watch. And okay, that's it. Your aesthetic short video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. And then next you can stop here or just take it further, like maybe add soft background music, add lyrics or short text overlays, or even include a small watermark for your aesthetic brand. And so yeah, that's how you can turn any photo collections into an aesthetic short video, all in CapCut, no Pro Tools needed. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.